So now I'd like to review the materials and products that we use today, and also products that might be helpful in you saving energy around your home and not losing those energy dollars. This is the weather stripping that we used on the door. This is the top piece, or the head piece. When I look at a weather stripping kit, I like to see good flexibility, because as it gets colder, things become less flexible. And I like to see that the screw holes are adjustable, and that's usually indicated by them being oblong, as you see in this particular piece. So we used a bumper style threshold on the door because it was an older door. This is the one that we used, and it's got a reasonably flexible but quite durable gasket, and it's not adjustable because it has to be very firmly mounted on the threshold. For a newer style or a metal door, we have a slide-on sweep, and this one is very good because it has a fabric style seal as opposed to a rubber seal which wears very quickly. Again, you're looking for those adjustable screw holes so that you can move this up and down according to how the door moves seasonally. And you should do an annual adjustment on your weather stripping at the beginning of every heating season to make sure that you're getting maximum efficiency there. This is the foam rope. This product comes in smaller packages, which allows you to buy the amount that you need as opposed to having to buy a whole roll of it. Another thing that's good about it is the fact that unlike insulation, which once it gets wet it loses its R value, this is rot proof and will retain its R value even if it gets wet. So here's a can of spray foam insulation. I like to use the low expansion type because the regular stuff tends to really expand and sometimes comes out of the hole, and can also bow your windows and doors and make them hard to open and close. Another thing to mention about this product is that you should have all the jobs that you're going to use it for ready to go at the same time, because once you start to use the can, you really can't stop for any length of time. And also I should mention that if this gets on anything, it's there for a long time. It's plastic, and once it's in, say on your clothes or on your carpeting, you don't get it out. So another material that we would use to seal cracks and gaps around doors and windows would be caulking. For interior use, we use a latex product. It's relatively non-toxic and paintable. For exterior use, we'd use a polyurethane or something similar to that, more durable and more flexible with the changes in temperature. Just while we're on the topic of caulking, there's something called Draft Stop. This is also applied with a caulking gun, and it's great for sealing up a window for the winter time, and then you just simply strip this off in the summer.